Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. Firstly, go into menu, click on the search bar and type clock. Then click on this app and tap on alarm at the top left corner over here. After that, you need to tap on this icon with a plus on it and set up an hour. When you're done, choose OK. Now you have to click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on repeat. Select days of the week, I will go with Fridays only, and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and save your changes by tapping on OK. After that, you need to click on this bell icon over here, choose dismiss and tap on add new. Over here you need to pick music from your device and set it up as your alarm clock, but if you don't want to, you can always go back and pick one of the system melodies by clicking on the chosen one and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, just click at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!